Hi friends, it's your favorite show on YouTube, Mrs. Barron, and I wanted to take a minute to go over this word ladder activity that was in your packet because this is kind of a new activity for us. It's not something we did a lot at school, but how they always start is they give you a word at the bottom, and then as you move up the ladder, you have to pay attention to how many letters are in the next word and the clues that they give you. And we're going to change the word as we work our way up. So if you've already done this, you can just follow along and check your answers. If you haven't had a chance to do this yet, maybe go get your packet and a pencil and just do it with us, okay? So for the first clue, I go up here and it says a store. Change one letter. So I need to change the word chop into a 4-letter word that would mean a store. So when I think of another word for store, I think shop. And does that work? Is shop just changing one letter from chop? Yes, it is. Take a look at that. Shop. So we changed chop to shop, and now we're going to go up here and look at the next clue. What a farmer gives pigs to eat. Change one letter. So I know that pigs eat slop, and that should just be one letter away from shop. I'm not changing the first letter this time. I'm changing the second letter. Now I have slop. And something I want to show you between these two words is shop only has 3 sounds, even though it has 4 letters, because the S and H are working together. But slop has 4 sounds. Slop. Okay? So go up the ladder again, and let's take a look at the next clue. A curve or circle in a piece of string. A curve or circle in a piece of string, and it says take away one letter, then add one. So let's see. A circle in a piece of string could be a loop. And that's still 4 letters. I took away a letter and I added one. I had to move the L over, get rid of the S, and add in the O. Loop. Now I have that ooh sound that we were talking about earlier in the week. So the double O, ooh sound. Let's look at the next clue. A pen for chickens. Think about, change one letter. How about a coop? That would only be changing one letter from loop. So coop and loop, they rhyme. We only changed one letter. The other sounds are the same. Moving up. Hula. That's a pretty easy one, I think. Hula hoop. And I'm only changing one letter, like the clue says. Hoop. Now I have 3 words that all have that ooh sound. Loop, coop, hoop. All right, let's look at the next clue. Something attached to a coat to keep your head warm. Change one letter. What's attached to your coat that keeps your head warm? You have a hood. Think about how that's spelled. Hood. It's spelled H-O-O-D. So it is only changing one letter from hoop, but look at what happens to that double O sound. We go from ooh to Now we have hood. All right? So keep moving up. What we eat. Change one letter. What do we eat? We eat food. And that's only one letter different than hood. But now we're back to that ooh sound. So this is kind of reminding us that the O-O can make either one of those sounds. So now we have food. And we're going to go up the ladder one more time. Trees are made of this. Trees are made of wood. And again, that's just one letter different than food, but we switched back to that other double O sound. We went from ooh to So, climbing our ladder, we went from chop to shop to slop to loop to coop to hoop to hood to food to wood. Make sense? I think these are fun. All right, I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.